This is to Emily on her birthday.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily.
Happy birthday
To you.
We love Emily on her birthday.
And we're all joining her birthday party.
Rock on. We love you, Emily. We'll see you this weekend, baby. We'll celebrate, okay? Bye, honey. Say I love you, Emily.
Oh, you.
Bye.
Say you love her.